Click on Tools. Click on Pen. You can format your pen with the following options. After you finished your formatting, you can start your drawing on the page. If you want, you can erase your drawing. Click on Tools. Click on Eraser. You can erase your drawing by clicking on it. Click on it again. Click on Delete. You can delete multiple drawing by clicking on Multi, Select. Select the drawing. Click on it. Click on Delete.